editing a vlog right now, and this guy's just disturbing us. Wow.
Hey.
Okay. What are you guys doing here?
Play Fortnite. Oh, I don't know how to edit.
Okay, so these bots here.
Why are you
Oh, these bots over here.
Alright, my name is Darmel. The D-A-R-M-E-L, and my last name Uelese, U-E-L-E-S-E.
You don't want to watch him, he's a bot. Watch me. Because I edit his videos.
You edit?
I edit his videos and I pay for him, so yeah.
No, you do not. You're the biggest bot.
Hey guys, I would say it's morning, but it's not morning. Hold on. And I'm about to go to my parents because my cousin's formal is today and they're all getting ready there. Jeez, let me just give you a quick update. So what happened today? Today I woke up, Ossie went to work early. I woke up at the same time he left and stayed awake just listening to my audiobook. Cleaned up the house a bit, then I went picked up my parents. We both went to the farmer's market. Came home to get ready with the intention of going to the mall, and I fell asleep and I've just woken up. So I was asleep for 3 to 4 hours. I have no idea why I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna quickly rush over to my parents so I can catch my cousin who's formals today. So it's cherry season at the moment, and I bought some cherries from the farmer's market. Ossie's never tasted a cherry before until like 5 minutes ago, which was nice. He's like, what is that? I'm like, it's a cherry. And he's like, I've never tasted one of those before. It's like, oh darling, here, have one. Oh, and my dad also got some plants, so maybe I can show you his new plants that he got today too. I'm gonna head over there. I think Ossie's really tired from work. He's been working overtime all week and then on Saturdays as well. And so I think he's just gonna do what he wants, chill out. But yeah, look at my dad's plants he bought the other vlog. They're sprouting. Jeez, it's so windy. Look at this day. And look at this he bought today, and the yellow one.
Let's go check it out.
What's everyone doing here?
What's up?
What's up with you?
Watching TV.
What's wrong with Nanny?
Sleeping.
Why is Nanny sleeping like that? Oh my gosh!
What's the pain for you?
Yeah, take it off.
I have nails on it. Can't take it off. You can sit down here, dear.
I'll just here. I'm guinea.
Okay, I'm gonna have
Dude, I was meant to go to the
See how nice your toes look, yo? If you were like trying to do your own styles.
Okay.
Are we gonna do your own styles?
Yeah. I mean, it's just for one day.
We'll follow. Have you taken photos? No, we have to. See, and I have to follow.
No, we'll follow there. Just take photos.
I was gonna come with my husband. I don't want anyone sitting in the passenger when you pull up. Following them for some pics. And then, do you want to go, Vicky? We'll go in your car.
Yeah. Just come in my car then.
Okay.
So you don't have two cars going out?
Yeah.
V, we'll go with V. We'll go with pasta and Vicks.
Where are you going?
Yeah, there we're going show. So we're here now, just waiting for Tutu to come out. Oh. I can't see you.
See, no one's here, bro.
Are you serious?
I mean, she can't be the only one that would have come at this time.
Only what's it called? Only a 12s hang out.
They're only allowed to, or?
We'll take a photo of me now. I'm going to the formal.
Oh, dude, I should be over there getting her out of.
Yeah, my hair's getting
No, it's not tall. It looks awkward when you go like this.
Keep doing it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm the first one here.
Alright. See, get up, mate. My hair's gonna get ruined in this.
Fine. Oh, why? We're not allowed to be here? No.
I'm so hungry. I don't think anyone understands. Been
Yeah,
starving
we have
all
not
day.
eaten all day.
Oh, great. Well, you're gonna eat tonight, girl. Yeah, holding it all in for tonight. It looks good. Thank you. Does it? Do I
Why
do
don't people
it wrong?
take photos with her?
No.
You get in?
I'm protecting
My hair's getting frizzy.
Okay, come on. Smile.
You wanna walk?
Let's go.
Where? We're not gonna walk there. No.
The hotel, we got the thing.
It's Ramada.
one report you too much money.
Then how come you didn't get ready with your friends?
Oh, you know, the plan. She was meant to, but who's gonna do it? I'm not coming here to beat her face.
Oh, I love her eye makeup.
Oh, thanks, girl.
I see what you're doing there. The gradient.
I'm outside the hotel. You know that. I'm outside the hotel. You know
Close your
that.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Just stand straight up, forward. Yeah, ready? Oh, yeah. 3, come on, blow. My hair fine. Yeah.
Try and stand on the side now.
Wait, I want to get it with the.
Shut up.
I feel like it's falling. 1, 2. The first.
Do a face that way as well, because they're both facing like. Yeah. So your knees face like that.
3. Okay, ready? I like blending in with the black. Yes, perfect.
Look at this leaf. Feel it.
Make it myself.
So nice. Hey, squatty word. What do I say? Aussie and I are going for a drive. It's so weird. It's summer and it's still freezing cold. I am wearing a jumper. The weather's been so crazy lately, like real weird. I've just been sitting here listening to my audiobook all evening since I got home. And like, I just started this book yesterday and I'm already 20 chapters in. Which is, yeah, which is pretty good. I'm thinking of cutting my hair. What do you guys think? Like, cutting a lot of it off, like half. Probably like this much off. Where my hand is down. I don't know. Aussie, turn off your game, you big fadoubla. Leave my bear. Hey, us.
Hey, ho.
Told you it was cold. Ew. I got that on camera. You nasty as hell. You are a stinker. You are legit a stink butt.
I like to cut you.
Ew, did you guys hear that? Aussie sang the biggest rap song just then. Gangsta rap. And guess where it came from? It came from his rear end.
Did you know?
His garment flips open, as if to say, help yourself, mister. Besides his let's do this. I should write sonnets. I can feel him shaking. Stand beside the bed, title.
We're not going for listen this.
It's been forever.
I just love romance stories. I just live for them. I'll just like read novel after novel after novel.
Trust me, guys. I'm
just eating a cookie. Can you drive properly? We have no idea where we're going. We just jumped in the car. Going for an evening trip around Canberra. I'm thirsty though. Should we get good breeze? No? Guys, after like, I don't know, half an hour of driving around Canberra, we're here at Kmart because Aussie needs some work shorts. Here we are. Oh my gosh, they opened up. Maya, they opened up again. You wanna have a little ride?
Welcome to Kmart.
So what gridiron team do you play for?
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Yeah. Represent Hawaii.
Represent?
Yeah, represent the boy Joti from Hawaii.
Oh, can I get you that? I really want to get you that. Oh my gosh, Falalalama. You look like Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. But like a dark version of Bruno Mars.
Not the light version.
Oh, you know what you're gonna get for Christmas?
What?
This. You need a new one. The black one, not the white one. Which one are you gonna get?
This one.
You already have these ones at home. Okay, lol, maar zijn wel 4 hier. Lang oude moeder ooit soort. Is sjæle helt lang efter what mooi. Look, your ma sail of wise it. Yeah, just get those ones. Why don't you get a dark one? Like that one. So I just printed some photos to place on my desk. I can get another frame. Oh, it's alright. I got 2 frames at home. I just wanted to pick up some photos. Yeah, sure. Just 6. Open them up. Show the squad. So I have to pick which 2 can go into my frames at home.
Are you ready?
Okay.
You ready to have a look?
Ready. Don't touch it with your fingers.
Why?
Because they're just newly printed.
First one.
Ah, and you're still touching it with your fingers.
Another one.
Ah.
Another one.
Which one do you guys think that I should have? So I wanted one with me and Aussie, and then one with my family.
I like this one.
Yeah, me too. I think I should use this one. But I also like the mountain one that we have. And then this one. That's just the siblings. I actually like this one too. So I don't know which one should it be out of these 2. Guys, so I'm finally home and I'm putting my portraits in. I'm trying to pick between these 2, which one I should have. I really like this one. This one seems to be my favorite. Aussie wants this one and I don't know which one. I think this one would suit more on my desk than this one. No, this one just feels like such a desk photo to me. So that's the other photo that goes into it. Oh, there, that's my family photo. With everyone. So guys, we're finally home and we're about to close off this vlog. So we thought we'd do comment of the day. And honestly, my comment, I'm giving comment of the day to 2 people. Because every time this person comments, it's pretty hard not to give him comment of the day. My first comment of the day goes to Chris T. Tuia. Admire your dad's enthusiasm and passion when he talks about his new buys and gadgets, his plants, etc. Seems like someone that doesn't take anything for granted. Everything is valuable. And I just love that comment so much because it is so true. What you're seeing and getting is literally so true about my dad. So thank you so much for that. It was really encouraging to read that and I loved it so much. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And my second comment goes to Saesa Enda. Said, your mum's looking really good, Vicky. Good to see the rest of the fams in this vlog. Safe travels and enjoy the time away to the old. Much alofas. So they're back now and they absolutely loved their holiday. They were ranting and raving. My dad came back with real crocodile skin belt and he's wearing like cowboy attire like 24/7. He thinks he's from Cairns, which is so funny. But yeah, they loved it. Like they could not stop ranting about it. They did the Great Barrier Reef tour, went to a crocodile farm. They just loved it so much. He went jet skiing and it's really awesome to see like my parents do that, experience and travel. And you guys know when I went to Bali, my dad was saying like he's not used to traveling, it's not his thing. But if you talk to him now, he's like, I'm gonna save all my money up for the next trip. Like it's just so awesome to hear those words coming from his mouth and just letting them enjoy their blessings. You know, they went through the struggles and now it's their time to relax and enjoy, and it's such a blessing. But Aussie, you get to pick a comment.
So the comment from Leticia Roberts, Malo LLA. You guys are crack up. Love you guys and house family oriented you are. Love from Afakasi Poly girl from New Zealand. Oh yeah, Afakasi Poly girl from New Zealand. Thanks for commenting and supporting our vlogs. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. Keep commenting and share our vlogs. We love you guys. Stay blessed and stay safe. SV Squad signing out.